Now we will see question number 9 from exercise 9.1 as a revision. Okay. In the previous video I had done the revision up to the 8th question from exercise 9.1, isn't it? So here question number 9, what it says that which one is a greater number. The first question is which is the greater in each of the following. That means the two number we are having 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. This is the two number we are having over here. So among this two number, which one is a greater? So first, by seeing the denominator of this numbers, we can know that it is an unlike term. Then if it is an unlike term, okay, we have to convert it into like term. In order to convert it into a like term, what we have to do? We have to take the LCM. ये दोनों जो है वो अनलाइक टर्म है क्योंकि उसके डिनोमिनेटर्स डिफरेंट नंबर्स हैं. अगर अनलाइक टर्म है तो उसको लाइक टर्म में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे, तभी पता चलेगा कि दोनों में से कौन सा ग्रेटर नंबर है. सो वी हैव टू टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ 3 and 2 विल बी हाउ मच? 3 2s is 6, isn't it? So after taking the LCM of this number, that is 2 by 3 comma 5 by 2, so LCM of 3 and 2 is 6, isn't it? What is the LCM we are getting? We are getting LCM as 6. Now by which number this denominator 3 will be multiplied to get the LCM 6? So here obviously it will be multiplied with the 2 and the same 2 will be multiplied in the numerator also. So 2 2s is 4. Next number we are having 5 by 2. By which number this denominator 2 will be multiplied to get the LCM 6? That is 3, because 2 3s is 6 and 5, then same 3 will be multiplied in the numerator also. So 5 3s is how much? 5 3s is 50. Clear? Now we can see that 4 by 6 and 15 by 6 is a like term. We can see because their denominators are same now. When these are our like terms, that means 4 by 6 and 15 by 6 is a like term because their denominators are same now, isn't it? When their denominators are same, we can look their numerator. So among this, which one is greater number? Whether plus 4 is greater or plus 15 is greater. Plus 15 is a greater number. If plus 15 is a greater number, then 5 by 2 is a greater number than 2 by 3. Have you understood up to here? So in the same way we are going to do the rest other question. Clear, student? Here the greater is written at the left hand side and smaller is written at the right hand side. This type also you can write, or you can write like this also, because the sign will be this. 5 by 2 is greater than 2 by 3, or we can write 2 by 3 is smaller than 5 by 2. It's having the same meaning. Okay. Next question we are having in the same. What is the next question? That is minus 5 by 6 comma minus 4 by 3. Since it is an unlike term, we can take the LCM. So what will be the LCM of 6 and 3? Can take the LCM here only. So 2 it will be 3, 3. So 3 it will be how much? 6. So 6 is the LCM. So minus 5 by 6. 6 is already present over here in the denominator. Okay, so we are going to multiply 1. So the same number will come. Next, minus 4 by 3 we are having. By which number the denominator 3 will be multiplied to get the LCM 6? That will be 2. Okay, so minus 4 will be multiplied with 2. How much it will be? Minus 8. 2 4s is minus 8. Now what the number we are having? Minus 5 by 6 we are having. Minus 8 upon 6 we are having. है ना? So which one is greater? Minus 5 by is greater or minus 8 by 6 is greater? Which number will be greater over here? That is minus 5 by 6 is greater number. If minus 5 by 6 is a greater number, that means minus 5 by 6 is greater number than minus 4 by 3. Have you understood this question? In the same way you have to do the third also. Fourth is a like term, student. Okay, minus 4 upon minus 1 upon 4 and 1 by 4. Both are like term. So if it is a like term, we are not going to take any LCM. So can you tell me which one is a positive number? This minus 4 by 4, this minus 1 upon 4 is a negative number, isn't it? And this plus 4 by is a positive numbers, isn't it? So obviously a positive number is greater than the negative number. So minus 1 by 4 is a greater than, plus 1 by 4 is greater than minus 1 by 4 over here. Clear? Next part we are having again the mixed fifth part, isn't it? Minus 3 by minus 3 2 by 7 and 3 minus 3 4 by 5. This we are having. So first what we have to do in this type of question, generally what we have to do is we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Understood? We have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. You know that how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction? Whole into denominator plus numerator, isn't it? So whole is minus 3 into 7 plus 2 upon 7, comma minus 3 into 5 plus 4 upon 5. This we are having. I had already taught you in the 6th class how to convert mixed into improper, isn't it? So again minus 3 into 7, it will be minus 21. Minus 21 will be added with 2. So minus 21 plus 2 is how much? It will be 21 plus 2 upon 7, comma minus 15 plus 4 upon 5. Clear? After this we are going to see. Let me check. So here, yes, we are doing the correct way. So what we are having? Minus 21 plus 2, isn't it, upon 7, and minus 15, it will be minus 15, then plus 4 upon 5. This is the number we are having, isn't it? So here it become minus 23 upon 7 when we are going to add this, and when we are going to add this, it will become minus 19 upon 5, isn't it? Now it becomes a number. Now we can change it into, since it is a like term, we can change it into it is an unlike term, we can change it into a like term by taking its LCM. So what will be the LCM is? LCM will be 35. Okay, so here is the LCM, we have got it as 35. So minus 115 upon 35 is greater than minus 133 upon 55. Clear everyone? So this is the solution. This video is only for the revision student. You had already learned this chapter already taught by another teacher, isn't it? So this is only a revision video. I just want to explain you once again each and everything, that's why. So let's have the 9.1 question number 10, the last question of this chapter. Write the following rational number in ascending order. So ascending order, one I will tell you, rest you can do with your own. Okay, so minus 3 by 5 comma minus 2 by 5 comma minus 1 by 5 we are having. All the denominators are same over here. If all the denominators are same, then we will see the numerator. Since denominators are same, that means it is a like term, isn't it? If denominators are same, that means it is a like term. Then we can say that which number is it is said ascending order, isn't it? Smaller to greater. So minus 3 is a smaller than minus 2, minus 2 is a smaller than minus 5. So obviously this is the ascending order, a simple. If a student, the number is a like term, if the numbers are a like term, we can directly arrange it into the form of ascending order. If the numbers are unlike term, suppose this 1 by 3 comma minus 2 by 9 comma minus 4 by 3, here it is an unlike term. So we are going to take the LCM of 3, 9, 3. Okay, when we are going to take the LCM, 9 will only come. Then we have to convert it into like term. So why we have to multiply and see by which number it will be multiplied, the denominator, so that LCM 9 will come. So here it will be 3 by 9. Next number we are having minus 2 by 9. So 1 will be multiplied obviously, because 9 is present in the denominator, that's why, and we have got the LCM as 9 itself. Then again minus 4 by 3 will be multiplied by 3 itself, because we want the LCM 3. So here minus 12, isn't it? So we had got the number as 3 by 9, 3 by 9, 1 by 9, 12 by 9, isn't it? What the number we got? 3, here minus 1 and minus 12 by 9. So we got the number as here 3 by 9 minus 2 by 9, then minus 12 by 9, isn't it? So this number we got. Now which number is the smallest number among this? 12 is a smaller than minus 2 is a smaller than 3. So this is the ascending order of the number. So in this way student, you can solve the questions easily. Okay, so these are the solutions of the questions. So don't concentrate what is written on this board. Okay, concentrate what I am saying and what I am explaining you. That is more important. Okay, so for today, thank you everyone. This video is completed. Next video we will have the revision of 9.2. It's a simple just plus minus we will going to see over there. Okay, so I will explain that tomorrow. So for today, thank you everyone.